Hey YouTube, a few weeks ago I did a little introduction to my 3-blade Winchester knife. It's been a little while, probably about a month, and I've had actually done a lot of things with this knife. I work in the meat department at a grocery store, cutting boxes down with it, cutting the shrink wrap packages for the meat open with it. I've actually cut oxtail with it, and if anybody has ever had or cut oxtail before, knows what a pain it is to do it. Because if you don't hit the right spot, you're not going to cut through it. I have sharpened it several times using sharpening stone. The steel used to sharpen our butcher knives at work, I've used that to sharpen it. It holds an edge fairly well, and so far it's done pretty good. It surprised me, for a $5 knife. It's done really well. What else have I done with it? Cut strapping off of boxes when we get shipments in. Cutting all the saran wrap they wrap around the pallets when we get them in. I've cut a few fan belts off of cars because I didn't really have a tool to loosen the tighteners for the fan belt, so I just cut them off, cut right through it, no problem. So far, like I said, it's been reliable. The only issue I have is the small curved blade is harder than heck to pull out, but the straight edge blade and the regular knife blade, no problems. And then I also found this little thing. It's Oak Ridge outdoor knife. Has a little serration. I mean, got it from Walmart, $1. I figured, bug out bag, prep bag for $1, can't beat it. I mean, it's not best quality, but when you're on a budget like mine, you gotta do what you gotta do. I've had Gerbers, Kershaws, excellent knives. I've had Old Timers, excellent. Buck knives, excellent. And that's about it. I think I'm gonna do a little testing on this one over here. See what I get for $1. I've thrown it at a tree a couple of times and opened and closed just fine, no problems. But I figured prep bag, bug out bag, whatever you want to call it, it'd be good. Alright, thank you, and have a good day.